Our first tutorial is a simple simulation of a diode circuit. So first we need a diode and we can pick it up from components. I'm using one of the most general types, but of course you can choose from the library whichever component you want to. And I can drag it wherever I want to, and I can position it in whichever way I want to by right-clicking the mouse. And I also need a resistor which I can get easily, and I need to give it a certain value. I'm picking up a very simple one, 1 kilo. And of course I need a DC voltage, and I think 10 volts is just fine. And then I need to connect all my components together, which is quite easy to do in microcab. And I also need the ground level. In microcab you always need the 0 level, you have to put it somewhere. And then I want to see how my circuit works by selecting dynamic DC analysis. My text box is not in a good place because it's over my circuit. I will transfer it away, and I can see that I have about 0.7 volts over my diode. All the rest is over the resistor, which is just fine. And I can also count the currents, and if I turn this diode upside down, there should be no current, and I can see that there is none. Well, actually there is a little so-called leakage current. It's about 10 nanoamps, and that's all.